Before operating the MTV1000, check the following has been done. Connect the power code at the right side and O2 pressure. And the bacteria filter connect at the inspiration port. The heated circuit is connected with bacteria filter and the expiration port. The test lung is connected with heated circuit. After connect all accessories which you need, the operation device, press the power button for about 3 seconds to turn on the device. The device starts loading the software to internal check on everything its components and sensors are ready. The front we have the touchscreen and we have some keys of turn on, alarm mute, alarm reset, exit the menu, and encoder. For programming the software in which choosing the type of patient and height and weight, then start ventilation. You can check and change the value in this screen. If you want to change the value, you just touch the parameter you need and adjust by encoder. If you want to see all measuring information, you should touch the monitoring button. If you want to change the layout, you should touch the graphics button. If you want to operate inspiration hold function, you should touch the tools button. If you want to see all alarms lists, you should touch the events button. If you want to set up system value, you should touch the system button. You can setting alarms by touching Alarms button. First page you can see alarms relating to ventilation, and second page you can see SpO2 and EtCO2 values. You can adjust the value by rolling encoder. If you want to change the mode, first press the power switch and enter the standby mode, and you reselect the calibration and the mode. If you need to change the value, following the previous way. If you want to stop ventilation, press power button and enter standby mode and accept. If you want to turn off the ventilator, touch the symbol of power on the screen, and then confirm power off and AC power switch off.